Welcome back everyone, Crowon here again, and we're going to go ahead and tackle UCE Invisible Hints. So let's go ahead and get that import into our project. There we go. So invisible hints are, just as they're named, they give you the ability to put down an area when a player walks into it to tell them some tidbit of information. Very good for like tutorial zones or quest information, stuff like that. Alright, so now we have that in. We're going to get that readme open as normal. So let's go in here. Where did mine open up? Apparently behind it. Alright. And open that. Alright, so we have no core changes. We just have some use case here. So let's go ahead and do that. We need to add this to our canvas. So, alright, drag that dropped. Fantastic. Collapse the canvas. And then we just got to drag this one into our scene. So let's go ahead and put it right here. That'll work. And let's just scroll down a little bit to it so we can see the information. So it activates automatically based on an interactable section. And it shows some text, and then it lasts for 2 seconds. So let's put some text in here. Attack monsters by double clicking or using a skill. Alright. And then let's set that to show for, I don't know, what do you think? 4 seconds? That'll be long enough. We'll save. Go ahead and hit play. Now you can have these set up obviously with more interaction requirements, so it only shows for certain reasons, and I was already by the monster. So as you can see, it popped up, says some information. Let him to go away. So attack monsters by double clicking or using a skill. Alright, useful. And you can change the background color and all of that of this. That overlay is literally the one we just pulled in, which is right here. So you're able to modify and make it look however you want. For your pop-ups. So that is everything for invisible hints. So I'll catch you in the next one.